What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprints. Guys, I'm so happy that you guys are here today. I got a special video for you guys. We did a survey. A lot of you want to know how to remove charge-offs and collections. Now I'm going to show you the fastest lightning way, the Credit Sniper way on how to do this. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back. Once again, I'm Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, if you guys are new on our channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and share. Today is going to be a great one. Why? Because I know that a lot of you want to know how to remove charge-offs and collections from your credit report. Unfortunately, some of us have gotten into that in the past, and you want to fix your credit. You want to be able to qualify to actually get better credit, better lending, be able to save some money in the lending. Obviously, as soon as you remove a collection or charge off, that's going to increase your credit score, which means that you're going to have a better rating or better APR, better interest rate on lending, and you're going to be able to save money a month. Now guys, you know what? Make sure you like and share. Make sure you click on that bell icon. Click on the bell icon. Make sure you click on all. Why is that? So like that you don't miss any of our content that we'll be putting out daily. Now guys, give us a thumbs up, smash it, hit it, do whatever you have to do. But guys, do it. Why? Because the YouTube gods will allow us to continue coming to you on a daily basis. We want to reach as many people as we can, and that's going to help our mission. Now guys, so let's talk about how to remove charge-offs and collections. Guys, it is very simple. You might say, how is it very simple when I have this collection for years and my credit's still getting hurt? I still cannot qualify for a credit card. Well guys, it's because we study the way credit works, and this is what we want to bring to you. When you study this, when you actually learn it, you are able to find out the ins and outs of credit. And the quickest, fastest thing that you can do in order to actually remove and be able to start removing charge-offs and collections. So before you do anything, before we go to the next step, this is what you have to do. You need to get in touch with the bureaus, and this is what we're going to do. We are going to remove any variation of your name, any variation of the number, and any other variation that is not currently accurate of your address and employment as well. Now, for example, my name is Carlos Martin Estrada Vega. Now guys, that's a mouthful, and I know, but one of the main things that I found out when I was doing my own credit blueprint is that I had so many different aliases. My name was either Carlos Vega, Carlos Estrada, Estrada Martin, or Estrada Vega. They couldn't get it right. It took me a little while to go back and forth, and I'm sure that some of you guys have an easier name to actually pronounce and actually to write, but mine, I had to literally go name by name. And what happened is, when you see and you don't see in your credit report is the different variations that they don't show, because they only can show you up to 3 or 4. So I will clean it up, and the following week I will go back and see more variations. So I was kind of confused on that. But what I found out is that you can little by little do it. Now we show you in the best credit blueprint how to do this by phone or by letter. You could do it by letter. That would be the fastest way to actually do it by letter. If you have many variations out there, you could do it by phone. We also can show you how to do that. You can definitely do it by phone, but when you go through your credit report, you'll see there's only 3 or 4 that you are able to see at the time. For some reason, the bureaus are not allowed to tell you what they see on the other side. They're only allowed to change what you tell them on the phone. So it is what it is. We just gotta play the game. We gotta know the gatekeepers and how to work them. One thing that I'm gonna advise you is, anytime that you call the credit bureaus, guys, be nice to them. Be nice to them. I understand that this is very stressful. It takes a toll on you, on your life, on your finances. But most of the time, it's not their fault. Be nice to them, because so many people are so nasty to these people that they are expecting to happen. But when you are nice to them, you change their days. And you'll see how they cater to you just because you were able to speak to them as a person, as a human being. Try that. I have by almost 98% success every time I get on the phone because I'm just so nice to them. I talk to them about the day. I talk to them about what's going on in their lives. Hey, what's the weather? Where are you located? Little things, small talk that you come to find out that they go out of the way and do sometimes even do things that they're not allowed to do that all the department handles, and they still help me out. So let's remove your name. Let's remove addresses. Guys, any address that was, if you know that you have a collection or charge off and you had it 3-4 years ago and you probably moved 3 different times, but you know that one of those addresses was some way, somehow related to that charge off or happened when that, or you lived there when that charge off or a collection happened, remove it. You don't live there no more. That address doesn't belong to you. You should only have one name, one address, one employment, guys, and one phone number. Any other variation, any other aliases should be removed. Why is this? Because at the time that we actually get ready to put this in a letter and send it out to the credit bureau saying that this is not my information, because you believe by the FCRA, you have the right to dispute anything that you believe that is not right and obsolete on your credit report. So guess what? By the time that you send this information to them and you're trying to dispute that, and what they do is, what the credit bureaus will do is they're going to verify your information with the sub-bureaus. Sub-bureaus are LexisNexis, Sage Streams, ARS, and Innovis. So guess what? They are public record. That is your public record. And if they cannot verify a place that you didn't live in or a name that wasn't related to you, how can they say that that is you? Now, guys, this is the fastest lightning credit sniper way on how to actually do this. Guys, if you are in this situation currently, if you are one of those that have collections and charge-offs, let us help you. Let us show you the way. This is what I created, the best credit blueprint. Now, this blueprint was created for me. I created my own blueprint because I needed the help. I didn't have any collections or charge-offs, but I had some late payments in the past, and I also had a collection that was actually attached to me, but it wasn't mine. And again, why? Because one of those name variation, which was Carlos Vega, it was one of my uncles, got attached to me without even being mine. So I had to fight that back then, and I was able to get it removed. So I was able to prove that it wasn't me. But it goes to show you that having the correct name will save a lot of headaches in the future. Now, guys, in the best credit blueprint, I show you from A to Z. It is called a blueprint for a reason. You follow the blueprint. Just like when you want to build a house, you'll have a blueprint to build a house. And you follow the blueprint to the T. You will be able to create a foundation and have a steady and strong house. Now, this is the same thing that I'm trying to make sure that you do for yourself. I want to help you create your own blueprint. You could emulate mine and make sure you tailor it to yourself. But without that, you won't be able to do it. If you don't know, you probably will be able to actually do it on your own. And I'm telling you, by the FCRA, we all have the right to do this on our own. You might be able to actually research it, and hopefully what the information that I'm giving you today can help you out. But if you want a fastest way, if you want to avoid the research and trial and error, hey guys, let's get into the best credit blueprint. I have the blueprint for you. I could give it to you. Just become part of it now. If you want to actually have a fastest result, I have worked with vendors. I partner up with vendors, and we can help you as well. The system that they have, the patented systems that they could show you, they could get you fastest result. And if your end goal is to get financing for whatever reason, guys, we also have that as well. So we are one-stop shop, but we start with your credit, fixing your credit. Let's get those charge-off and collections of your credit today. You need to, because this is going to haunt you for a while. Now, guys, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. Remember, I'm with the best credit blueprint. Do not forget to like and share. Make sure you click on that bell icon subscribe. And guys, give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up. Why? Because I want to continue bringing the value that I'm giving you to a lot more. And by you doing that, you are helping me, allowing to reach more and more people. So guys, I appreciate you guys are here today with me. I hope I see you tomorrow. As a matter of fact, I'll see you tomorrow.